How do you cycle, put the last one in?
You what?
How do you put the last one?
Thumb.
Just push it all the way.
Get your thumb in there. You may have one too many in. There you go.
6 then.
So. All right. So cycle it as quickly as you can. I mean, it doesn't. You're gonna feel a little awkward with it. There you go. Now it's ready to fire. So.
Do I put that 7th one in?
Do what?
Do I put that last one in then?
Just if you want to, you can. What I would do is I just wait until the very end and cycle you one more on in there.
No problem.
That way you don't have to mess with trying to put it on safety or anything like that.
Go on, you poser.
Cycle the last one in there. If you want, you can just open it all the way and breech load it if you don't want to mess with. Yeah, just breech load it that way.
Hang on, Rich.
All right, now just close it.
Get a shot of that. Cool.
Whack it up.
Yep. Yours.
You didn't want this pack, did you?
You got to talk to his dad.
Don't touch any of the metal.
I'll bet.
Yeah, it gets hot.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's my holiday right there.